The sky turned a heavy shade of pearl and gray, but I wouldn't have it any other way. The streets are glowing under neon signs, while we're tracing circles and crossing lines. The coffee is steaming, the blankets are piled. I haven't seen a mood this sweet in a while. Let the thunder roll like distant drums. We're exactly where we're meant to become, safe in the rhythm of the port. You're laughing at the way the ceiling leaks, with a rosy color climbing up your cheeks. We don't need the sun to have a bright day. The storm is just chasing the stars.